It's a pretty cool bus. Yeah.
I like that thing.
Oh.
Why didn't you get this?
Oh my God. Jesus. All right.
You gonna race it?
This is my daily driver.
Are you gonna race it?
I drive it every day.
So you gonna race it out here?
No.
You
Can't keep up with these guys.
What's all done to this crazy thing?
It's a 63 Volkswagen bus. It's got a 468 big block Chevrolet in it, turbo 400. It's got a Lincoln Continental rear end in it.
Okay.
It's got an Astro van front end in it, so I got power steering and everything in it.
Nice.
And it's got a 200 gear in it. I come back from Jacksonville the other night side of a Corvette, and we were 167 side by side. And that was before the nitrous.
You say you daily drive this thing?
Yes.
What's it run?
It runs a 1220.
No kidding.
Yeah, it's got a 200 gear in it though.
How much power do these have from the factory? Like 50?
36.
36.
Have you dynoed it yet?
587 on the motor and then the 150 shot nitrous.
What made you put the engine behind the or back there?
Because I couldn't put it back here.
There's no room anywhere else.
True. Good point.
22 minutes pull the transmission out. About 2 hours pull the motor out.
Yeah. Gorgeous set of wheels here.
My name's Mike Hot Rod Rowe.
Mike Hot Rod Rowe. Easy to remember.
I like the VR8 badge. What do the Volkswagen guys say?
They don't want to put it in their magazine or nothing because it's not air cooled.
Hey Fred, I just saw the coolest Volkswagen on earth. Let's see if it gets Fred's seal approval.
What the hell? You, sir, you win today. That is insane. What do you have where the engine's supposed to be? Holy shit.
How big is it?
468.
Nice. Where'd you find it?
Yeah, boat.
In a boat? Nice. That's a good engine for a boat. What year is it?
63.
63 bus?
What's rare about it is a panel truck.
Oh, okay. I was wondering how that... What do they make those for?
Delivery vans.
Yeah.
And UPS supposedly had bought a bunch of them for their delivery vans to start up with. The shifter come off a labor van, man. That's the handles women hang on to when they have babies.
From a what?
A labor van. What? Yeah, man.
Good luck, man. Came through okay. We appreciate it.
How long did it take you to build this? 6 weeks?
Everything else takes just a little bit to get that cleaned up. Make sure it's
Here's the sticker on the windshield. Orphanegan means fun and travel.
That we've seen here.
This thing went viral a couple months ago. I got an envelope in the mail from Germany. They sent me 3 of them decals.
Nice.
There you go. You'll be seeing another video of it soon.
Way.
Oh yeah.
There it is.
I like that.